Hey everybody, I'm Mark, welcome to this video. So I did Wicked Game and it got blocked. I think it's because I don't pause that often, I just watch the whole thing all together. So I will add the link below to like Patreon. You don't have to join Patreon, you don't have to pay. I just have Patreon, which I put like some of the blocked videos and things on. I haven't really started doing any like paid content or anything like that. I don't know if it's a thing I will do, I'm not sure. But I will put the link to the Wicked Game reaction because it's there, and I did it. Let's see what's going on. We have a duet. She was very mature. She looks, well, I was gonna say she reminds me of like an actress that was on a German soap. Just a little bit, not like a lot, just reminding me of her. You can't really hear their voices that well, but that's probably the way this is recorded. Trying to work out who's high and who's going low. I think he's low. Oh, this sounds very romantic but mixed in with mystery and slightly haunting. Yeah. A little bit James Bond. They're doing a good way at making effects, since I think this is just filmed with a point and shoot or a steady cam or something. Really good at sustaining those notes. Harmonize. Okay, good. Didn't get to hear too much. It's not easy to hold notes like that. Got really good control. I wasn't even really paying attention to the lyrics. I'm really captivated with the vocals. I'm gonna try and pay attention to some of them now. One short day. I think a lot of the videos on her official channel are like this, you know, where they're filmed at concerts or at home, but they might be the ones that aren't as copyrighted compared to the ones on shows. But I'm gonna try and watch some of these ones and hopefully everything's cool, because I don't like pausing. I don't like pausing for the sake of pausing. Like, I'm just gonna pause every 10 seconds. Like, okay, they've sung 2 lines, let's pause and be like da-da-da, because I don't really have things to say every 10 seconds. I'm watching the performance, so that's the bit that's a little frustrating. Nothing to do with them, nothing to her. and it's not any of their fault. It's just more of me. I just like to fluidly watch the whole performance as if I was, because that's how I would never stop and pause in the middle of watching a music video or a live show. But if that's something that has to happen, then I'm trying to figure out how to get around to that. But once again, yeah, this was really good. It was kind of difficult to hear everybody clearly until maybe the middle and the end, and it was really good at sustaining those notes, because it was a lot of the same kind of notes and the same melody that was repeating itself, which may sound like not much, but to keep doing that consistently over and over again perfectly each time round and sustain it takes a lot of practice. And vocal control. So I enjoyed this. I'm excited to see more. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave your comments below and I'll see you on the next videos. Bye.